Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the channel. If you happen to be new here, I do a restoration video every Wednesday and I do flea market hauls on Sundays. So that's twice a week you get to see my face. This week's project, we're going to be doing a diamond caulk and horseshoe. This one happens to have the caulk cleats, which is pretty cool. And we're also going to be cleaning up the caulk tool. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, well, here's the horseshoe. As you can see, it's got the caulks in it. I think it's pretty awesome. This is the first one I've actually found with the caulks in it. So, I'm quite excited to get this cleaned up and going. So, and of course, the caulk tool itself. This is a giant grip. This happens to not be the Dimaloy or Diamond Caulk and Horseshoe version of it. If you would like to see that, Mr. John Fix, did a fantastic restoration on the same exact tool, but his is Diamond Caulk and Horseshoe brand. I wish I found one of those, but I didn't. I happened to just get the giant grip. But hey, same tool. It does the same job. So, all right. Well, I think what we're going to do is throw this stuff on a wire wheel and get it cleaned up and soaking in some Evapo-Rust. So I say we get started with that. Alright guys, well these cleaned up spectacular. That's just wire wheeling and they damn near look like they're brand new. I am still going to soak these in the Evapo-Rust. I want to get these things as clean as possible. I'm also going to throw in this little Diamond Caulk and Horseshoe adjustable. I just got done wire wheeling this too, and I want to get it cleaned up so I can hang it on my wall. So. Good to the last drop. All right, well, it has been a full 48 hours. Let's see what's happened here. You guys remember? I throw them on the wire wheel real quick. Let me grab a rag, nice dirty one here. Look at that. Nice, right? Grab a rag and I will throw this stuff on there. Looks like it's coming along pretty good. Quite happy with that. See how this wrench came out? Oh yeah, came out pretty good too. I just threw the wrench in there because, you know, what the hell. Let me get this out of the way. So it's got that dark look that the Evapo-Rust does. It probably sat in there just a little bit too long, but that's all right. I didn't have enough time. So the wrench is looking fairly good. I've got to do a little bit of work on the hammer end of it. It's nothing but a thing. We'll take care of that and we'll clean this all up. So let's see what it looks like after the wire wheel. I'm not going to show you that because we already have a wire wheel montage in here, and I'll bring you right back. All right. Well, that's about as good as it gets. There is absolutely no rust left on this. The cleats are in perfect shape. This thing is awesome. I am so glad I got this. So we're going to start working on this little tool here. I think I'm going to throw it in, well, I can't throw it in the vise because I got the engine in there. We'll figure out what we're going to do with this. I want to take the mushrooming off this hammer and get this thing looking a little bit better. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but it says 5/8 and I think it's 9/16. 5/8, 9/16 maybe. It's written right on the edge there. Or is that 3/8 and 9/16? I can't really say it too well. Hopefully it's showing up on there and you guys can tell me in the comment section. Or I'll see it when I'm editing. So what I think I want to do, I don't want to take the writing off this. I think I'm going to leave this side all natural with the exception of the hammer. This side here I'll clean down to a nice shine. And then of course I'll wire wheel it again and, you know, get the whole process going again. So we're going to hold off on the horseshoe. All right. Well, the tool came out fantastic. I'm quite happy with that. There is a bunch of pitting on there, stuff of that nature. We smoothed the handle out. We smoothed the hammer out. We smoothed the reliefs out, the little pries on there. The back, again, it's pitted, but you know what? This is a very old tool. Plus, I'm sure it's been neglected for many, many years, but yeah, I'm quite happy with it. It came out fantastic. The horseshoe came out fantastic too. You know, there's no rust on there. It came out really good. I want to try and get one of these caulks out of here. It probably won't happen, but what the hell, we'll give it a shot. How is this going to work? Actually, let's do it this way. It should work. I don't know if it will, but oh shit. Well, hell. All right. Well, that popped out. I was not expecting that, but well, I see that there's still rust on it, so might have to pop the rest of these out and wire wheel them and de-rust them and re-soak this shoe again. So there is still rust in there. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that or not, but hey, at least we know we can get it out. So that's basically how this works. You would put it in there, set it to the size you need it. I guess you would do this on the horse, removing these, and then give it a whack. And I used the biggest ball peen hammer that I have. Just popped it out. I don't think these were in very far. It doesn't look like it. So hey, that's pretty cool. We kind of did it. So I'm gonna clean this up, clean up that hole, and set it back in there, and then we'll go and do our wrap up. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. This is the Diamond, Calk, and Horseshoe. The Horseshoe still has the caulks in it. These are the caulks. This is the caulk tool. I showed you how the caulk tool works. You basically set it in there and bash it with a hammer and the caulk goes popping out. I'm blown away. The caulk tool came out fantastic. I left it distressed looking so I can keep the 5/8 and 9/16 on there. This is a giant grip. It's not Diamond Alloy or Diamond, Calk, and Horseshoe brand, but it works. The Horseshoe, not a speck of rust anywhere. This thing came out so nice. I am so proud of it. This is going to go fantastic in my Diamond, Calk, and Horseshoe display. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye. Nice.